Hello student, this is Prashant sir and this is my video number 29, and in this video I'm going to take new chapter of maths, that is chapter 3, coordinate geometry. Okay, so before starting this chapter, let me give you one uh, scenario where you can use this coordinate geometry. Okay, सपोज देयर इज अ रेक्टेंगुलर फ्लोर, एक रेक्टेंगुलर की ज़मीन है, एक फर्श है, और उसमें कोई ए बंदा खड़ा हुआ है, मतलब ए बॉय सपोज इज स्टैंडिंग हेयर. ना इफ़ आई हैव टू लोकेट हिज पोजीशन, अगर मुझे इसकी लोकेट करनी है पोजीशन, तो हाउ विल यू लोकेट दिस? रिमेंबर दिस इज अ प्लेन, दिस इज अ फ्लैट surface, so we say it is a plane. So how will you locate his position on a plane? People may say that he is standing 5 meters from this wall. Okay, but my question is, if he is standing here, he is also 5 meters. Means taking only one wall, the position of A cannot be determined. Okay, because he can be here. Then how will you locate it? In order to locate A's position, I have to take another wall also. See this. If it is from this wall, it is 2 meter. Then the A's position can be fixed. Now, if A is moving here, A is moving here, his distance this will be increased. Now, suppose A goes to B place. Now, the position of B will be what you can say it is 4 and this is 5. The position will be changed. Okay, now the position of A is written like this. Position of A, we write position of A is we write like this 2 comma 5 or 5 comma 2. This is the way, and this is the reason for this coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is the main, basically it is used to locate the position or a point on a plane. You must have used seen number line, and in your lower classes there you have seen to locate points on a number line. Okay, suppose if I have to locate 2 on the number line, so I'll draw it and I'll like say this is the position of 2. Now what happens when I have to locate the point on a plane? For this, there are two such lines, okay, which are attached in such a way, or they are put in such a way that their origins are coincide, and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is -1, -2 and -3. This upper side is taken as 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, -3. Now this line, the vertical line, is called y-axis. Okay, and this horizontal one is called x-axis. Okay, and this point, the common point which is denoted by O, is called origin. Okay, now if you draw such line, such lines, you will see that this surface is divided into 4 parts. Okay, first part, second part, third part and fourth part. these parts are called quadrant. This is the first quadrant, this part. Okay, this is called second quadrant, this is called third, and this is called fourth. Okay, so this whole system is called Cartesian plane, or we can say coordinate plane also, or xy plane. Okay, and these axes are called coordinate axis. Now, when we draw a Cartesian plane or coordinate plane or xy plane, we draw two perpendicular lines. This, remember, the angle should be 90 degree. Okay, and how will you name it, and how will you draw the numbers on it? See, this side, this is called x-axis. Here I have written x and x dash. Okay, y and y dash. These are of equal distance. ये सब सारे equal distance पे होते हैं, ये भी equal distance पे होते हैं. Means if you are taking 2 unit, तो 2 unit, 2 unit, 2 unit. If you are taking, sorry, 1 centimeter, you can take 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. If you are taking 2 centimeter, it should be of 2 centimeter. Similarly here, the bottom part is negative and the top part is positive. Now in this chapter, remember, I'll be completing the whole chapter in my single video. In this chapter, there's only two things are there. First, locating a point. First is locate a point, and second is find the coordinate of the point. Now here the word coordinate has come. Okay, that I'll tell you. Now let's come for the locate a point. When you talk about locate a point, remember the just now I've shown in in my previous diagram that the when we talk about the position in a plane, we always take two numbers. Okay, and it is written like this. Okay, so I'm taking this 2, 3. Okay, and I have to locate this. इसे मुझे इसमें locate करना है. तो what trick or what concept you have to keep in your mind, इसको locate करते वक्त. Remember, this is very important. Keep it in mind. See, the first number, this is x, is the value of x. ये x पे होगा, मतलब this first number is called x, and this second is the y. हम लोग इसको बोलते हैं, this is the that I'll tell you afterward. Let's locate this first. Okay, now to locate this 2, na, where is 2 on the x-axis? Here it is. Okay, now remember this pointer will move either this side or like this, perpendicular. It will not move like this, it will be vertically or perpendicular. Now I'm at 2. Now my marker will either move like this or move like this. It will not move somewhere like this. हमेशा 90 डिग्री या ऐसे हॉरिजॉन्टल मूव करेगा. अभी 3 है, मैं यहाँ पे हूँ, तो 3 मुझे वाई एक्सिस से मिलेगा. तो वाई एक्सिस में ऐसे उल्टा नहीं जाऊँगा. अब मुझे वाई एक्सिस कहाँ जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है ऐसे जाना होगा, या तो फिर ऐसे जाऊँगा मैं. तो मुझे 3 किसे मिलेगा, ऊपर. तो मैं ये ऐसे गया 3, और ये यहाँ मुझे 3 मिल गया. तो दिस इज़ द पोजिशन ऑफ 2 and 3. Okay, this is called x coordinate. Okay, 2 को बोलते हैं x coordinate. इसको एब्सिसा भी बोलते हैं. And this 3 is called y coordinate or we also say as ordinate, इसको ordinate बोलते हैं, and this whole is called coordinate. इस पूरे को क्या कहते हैं हम लोग? coordinate. Now let's take another point or another coordinate. I have this time taken minus 2 comma minus 1. Now minus 10 is the x coordinate, so I will go x in the x. X points are here. Where is minus 2? Here is the minus 2. And just now I told you my marker will, or my pen or pencil, it will move like this, either horizontal or vertical. मुझे -1 चाहिए. अब मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, आई नो आई कैनॉट मूव लाइक दिस, ऐसे ऐसे नहीं आऊँगा मैं, तो -1 की तरह मुझे क्या, मुझे नीचे मिलेगा. तो हेयर व्हेन यू विल कम, यू विल गेट -2 comma. Similarly we can do it. Now question is, let's come to another topic, and this is the last topic for this video. By this we will be able to do my questions. Suppose I have to find out the point here somewhere. I am giving like this. Okay. अब ये A है, इसका मुझे कोऑर्डिनेट निकालना है. ओके. अब देखो, इसका कोऑर्डिनेट निकालने के लिए आई नो द, पहले से पैरेंथेसिस बनेगा. फर्स्ट नंबर विल बी योर एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट. तो उसके सामने की एक्स नंबर क्या है आपको दिखेगा? 2 है, तो दिस विल बी 2. फिर y के सामने देखिए क्या आ रहा है? 3. हो गया, दैट्स इट. इफ आई हैव टू लोकेट अ पॉइंट हेयर, नाउ द it is B, and I have to find out that what is the coordinate of B. So first number is the x coordinate, so just see the number before x. It is 3, and the number on y is 1. Done. Okay, so this is all about the chapter. Okay, thank you.